This is the solution to problem number 7 from section 7.2, where we're trying to use integration by parts to do an integral. This one, it's possible to fight your way through it for some hard choices of u and v prime, but there is a little bit of a trick here to simplifying this that we will start to see a lot more in the next unit that we're doing on integration, and that is to use trig identities, in particular the formulas for the sine and cosine of a double angle. So the formula that I'm thinking about here that simplifies this is the formula that says that the sine of 2x, or any twice an angle, is twice the sine of the angle times the cosine of the same angle. So this is called the double angle formula for sine, and it allows us to rewrite this integral before we even start. So in the integral itself, you can see I have a sine to cosine. So 2 sine cosine will be equal to sine of 2x. So if I take a 2 out of this 18, I can rewrite this as 9x times 2 sine x cosine x. That's obviously exactly the same thing. And then I can in turn write that as 9x times the sine of 2x. And that problem is much easier to do using integration by parts. So to do that, I would have u equals 9x and v prime equal sine 2x. All right. 2x, in which case u prime is 9 and v is 1/2. Antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, so I'll put my negative sign there and say cosine 2x here. So integration by parts says that this integral will be u times v, so that's negative 9/2 x times cosine of 2x minus the integral of vu prime, so that's minus 9 times negative 1/2, so plus 9/2 times the integral of cosine 2x. And that new integral, the integral of cosine of 2x, is just 1/2 sine of 2x. So I'll have 9/2 times 1/2 sine 2x, which is 9/4 times sine 2x plus c.